Excuse me, how do I get to the Red Cafe? The Red Cafe? Let's see. Go to the corner and turn left. Go 2 blocks and turn right. Around the corner is a train station. Take the train. Right. Yes. Got it? Let's do it again. Corner, left. 2 blocks, right. Around the corner, don't take the train. Through a station. Across the street. Bookstore, pharmacy, Red Cafe. Thank you very much. You are very welcome.